Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel My Life Everything. So in today's video I'm gonna do a one brand makeup look with Kay Beauty. Kay Beauty was launched by Katrina Kaif around 2 years ago in 2019 in a joint venture with Nykaa, and it is exclusively available on Nykaa. So over the time Kay Beauty has become a very well known brand for its good quality and great packaging, and each and every product of this brand has a Kay Beauty logo embossed on all over the product. Like this is the blush, and this like Kay Beauty is embossed on all over the product, and this is the contour, and this is the mascara. Like look at the mascara packaging, this also has Kay Beauty logo embossed all around this. So coming to this video, it's gonna be a mix of first impressions and some products I have used a few times and some product I have been using since a very long time. So I'll be creating this look in this video. I'll also be giving mini reviews for each and every product. So if you wanna know how I achieved this look and also about the products of this brand, please keep on watching. So I moisturize my face really well, and the first product I'm gonna use is this Kay Beauty hydrating foundation, and this foundation I have is in the shade 120Y light, and this one costs 1200 rupees for 30 gram of the product. So this foundation comes in a glass bottle packaging like this. So this one has a pump packaging like this, and as you can see I've really used the foundation a lot, and I'm gonna take about this much of the foundation, and this much amount is about 1.5 pump of the product. So as you can see from the texture, this one has a very creamy light texture. The texture of this foundation is like really in between. It is definitely between a cream and a very thin consistency foundation. So now let's apply the foundation on the face, and I'm gonna first dot the foundation all over my face, and I'm gonna start from the cheeks. This is my problem area. As you can see, I have a lot of redness here, and I'm gonna take a damp beauty sponge like this, and I'm gonna just start stamping this all over my face. So this foundation does have a light to medium coverage, which can really be built up to a coverage which is lower than the full coverage foundation. The one thing I really like about this foundation is that if you are layering this foundation for more coverage, it does not cake your face at all. It does not look patchy. As you can see, it has definitely covered a lot of redness I have on my face, but I can still see through all of the scars. I feel like this shade is a little bit lighter for me, but after a while, like 1 or 2 hours, everything just matches up. I feel like it does oxidizes a little bit, not much, but a little bit. So now that we are done with one layer of this foundation, let's try to build this up. And now I'm gonna apply a second layer on all my problem areas. Like here I have a little bit of melasma. So now with a foundation brush like this, I'm gonna apply the foundation on my neck. I really like applying foundation with a brush on my neck because that's a lot more faster, and on neck we really don't have that much of texture, so a foundation brush works really well. So as you can see, this foundation gives a very natural finish. This is very true to its name. It does feel really hydrating. It does not feel matte on your face at all. It is a very comfortable foundation to wear, and this foundation looks really good on your face in natural light and in real life. So this foundation is really one of my favorite foundations. So the next step would have been a concealer, but I'm gonna apply the foundation as a concealer because Kay Beauty is yet to come out with a concealer. So I'm gonna apply the foundation under my eyes where I would have applied a concealer. I feel like I've definitely applied more foundation than I required under my eyes. So now with a beauty sponge, let's just blend this foundation. So this foundation has blended really well under my eyes, and it has definitely covered my dark circles a little bit. However, I would have definitely liked a little bit more coverage under my eyes, so I'm definitely waiting for K Beauty to come out with a concealer. So now that we're done with the foundation, let's move on to powder, and this one is the K Beauty HD loose powder, and this one costs 799 rupees for 10 gram of the product. And this loose powder comes in such a beautiful packaging. Like here is the K Beauty logo embossed all over it, and this comes in a packaging with a mesh under here from where the loose powder comes through. But the most unique thing about this product is the packaging. The lid comes with a stopper like this. Can you see? This stopper fits right into the mesh here. When you're traveling, like when this loose powder is like upside down or it's moving and all of that, that stopper really stops the powder from coming through. So that is something I really like about this product. Coming to the actual powder, this powder is so much finely milled. So for the application of this powder, first I'm gonna take a very small brush like this, and I'm gonna powder all over my T-zone. And for the whole face, I'm gonna take a brush like this, and I'm gonna very lightly dip that into the product, and then I'm gonna just press that very lightly all over my face. So coming to the product, this powder sets the makeup really well. It kills the shine off of your face, and it does not look cakey at all on your face. That is what I love about this product. I've been using this product since a very long time, and I believe I'm almost done with this product. I feel like if I'm gonna use this product like for 15 days straight, I'm just gonna finish this off. The next product I'm gonna be using the K Beauty eyebrow pencil, and this one costs 599 rupees, and I have this in the shade Chestnut. So this eyebrow pencil comes in 3 shades. So this is what my eyebrows looks like. This product by K Beauty is something I like the least because this feels a little bit too stiff on my eyebrows, and I don't like the feeling that I get while applying this eyebrow pencil. And this also comes in a sharpenable pencil like this, which is something I do not like. I don't like something which has to be sharpened just to use on the eyebrows. It is fine with the kajal, but with the eyebrows I feel like the twist up packaging works a little bit better for me. This also does not have the spoolie with it. That is something I really miss. Like if I'm traveling with this, I will need to travel with this spoolie brush, which is something like I might just forget to carry. So now let's move on to the most exciting part of this video, eyeshadow. So this is the K Beauty eyeshadow palette in the shade Pure Bloom, and this one costs 1199 rupees, and this is what the packaging looks like. You guys, it has such a great mirror, and I'll show you the shades. And this is what the eyeshadow looks like. It is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. Eyeshadow palette has bigger pans than most of other eyeshadow palette. When I opened this palette, the first shade I saw was this one. Look at this gold shade. This looks beautiful. Let's move on with the eyeshadows. So I've never used this eyeshadow palette. However, if you've seen my haul, I've definitely swatched this eyeshadow palette. Today's look, I want a pink eyeshadow look, so let's create something like that. So the first shade I'm gonna take is this shade right in the middle, that is called Biscuit. And on a bigger brush like this, I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelid. Let's take a little bit more. On a blending brush like this, I'm gonna take the shade Coral. So now we're done with the matte shades. With a fluffy brush like this, I'm gonna blend the matte eyeshadows. I feel like I need to deepen the crease a little bit more, so I'm gonna apply a little bit more pink. So now we're totally done with the matte shades, and now I'm gonna move on to the glitter shade, and I'm gonna use this beautiful rosy pink shade called Salmon. I'm gonna just take this on my fingers. So first I had thought of using this shade called Salmon on outer corners of my eyes, but now that I've used in inner corners of my eye, I feel like this would suit a lot more better if I use this in inner corner of my eyes for this look. On outer corners of the eye, I'm gonna use this shade called Peach, and I'm gonna just apply this all over the shade Salmon. So now we're gonna take a pencil brush like this. So the next step is gonna be an eyeliner, and this one is the Kay Beauty Quick Dry Eyeliner, and it comes with the cost of 499 rupees. So it comes with a wand like this. This has a very thin wand. Okay, so I've definitely messed up my eyeliner here. So first fix that. I'm definitely struggling with this kind of wand because I'm not actually used to this, but I feel like if I get the hang of it, I'll be able to apply a lot more thinner eyeliner. So now let's move on to the Kay Beauty mascara, and look at the mascara packaging, you guys. The mascara packaging with the Kay Beauty logo looks really cool. So this mascara comes for rupees 799. So the wand of this mascara looks like this, and when I first saw the wand, I was like really underwhelmed by this wand. I felt like it was not gonna give me the length I want on my eyelashes, but when I used this, I was like blown away by this. I didn't really hear so many good reviews about this product, but when I used this on myself, I felt like this was such a great mascara. This gives, at least on my lashes, this gives such great volume, and it also lengthens my lashes, which is all I want. Can you see the difference? Can you see the volume this mascara is giving me? It also lengthens the lashes like really well. So that's why I really like this mascara. I really do feel like that this mascara has such great quality, but I also feel like that this could have been a little bit cheaper, like 100-200. Like this one costs 799. It would have been great if it would have just cost 499 rupees or something like that. So let's move on to kajal now, and this one is the Kay Beauty smudge proof kajal, and this one costs 499 rupees. So this product is a sharpenable kajal like this. You need to sharpen this, and this is one of my favorite products from Kay Beauty. It is also such a creamy and smudge proof kajal. You'll apply this and it will not bleed out on your under eyes, which looks really bad. I've used so many kajals, and this is the kajal which lasts the longest on my eyes, and this kajal is something I have actually repurchased. I have actually finished a full kajal, and this is a new one for me, but if I finish this, I'll definitely buy it again. Now let's move on to bronzing, and for that I'm gonna use this Kay Beauty contour palette, and this one costs 1099 rupees. This packaging, this one looks so chic and so elegant on your vanity. You'll feel like keeping this out on your vanity and not inside your drawer, and it looks like this. This is the contour, this is the bronzer, and this one is highlighting powder. So since I got this palette, I have been really using the bronzer religiously, like almost every day. Contour shade is also something which would actually suit me, but I don't really contour that much. I really like the bronzing, so I use this bronzer and I really like how it looks on me. So for bronzing, I'm gonna take a contour brush like this. Guys, I'll be mentioning all of the brushes in the description box, so keep an eye for that. So I'm gonna take the product and I'm gonna start bronzing from here. And on a brush like this, I'm gonna take this bronzer shade and I'm gonna try to just bring some definition on my nose. So now let's move on to the blush, and I'm gonna use the Kay Beauty matte blush, and this one is in the shade Dusty Rose, and this blush costs 799 rupees. So this is what the blush looks like. This is a matte blush, you guys. In Indian market, you guys, you would not find such great quality matte blushes. I feel like this is one of the first prominent matte blushes launched in India. So I'm gonna take a tapered powder brush like this, dip that a little in the blush, and I'm gonna apply this very lightly on my cheeks. The next product I'm gonna apply is the illuminating highlighter, and this one is in the shade Sunlit Gold, and this costs 7.99 rupees. So with a highlighter brush like this, I'm gonna take the highlighter and then I'm just gonna move on to apply the highlighter. Earlier I didn't really used to apply highlighter that much, but recently I've been like kind of obsessed with highlighters. I feel like applying more and more and more highlighter. Can you see the highlighter? So this highlighter is such great quality. Highlighter is pressed really well into the pan. It does not has that much kickback, and it also presses really well on your face, and it actually stays on your face. So next I'm gonna apply the highlighter on all high points of my face, a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin, and a little bit on my forehead. Okay, the face is done. The only product we need to apply is the lipstick. For lipstick, I'm gonna apply this K-Beauty lip crayon in the shade Countdown. So guys, this lip crayon was one of the first products with which K-Beauty actually launched, and I remember going to the Nykaa store on the day K-Beauty launched, and I reached there between 11 or 12 o'clock, and I was their first customer. There was an aisle made for K-Beauty, and I was just blown away with all of the packaging they launched with. I've never seen something like this, and I bought this product. This costed me 7.99 rupees, and this comes in a twist up packaging like this. As you can see, I have used it quite a lot. So K-Beauty has yet to come out with a setting spray, and I can't do without a setting spray, so I've used my favorite setting spray, that is PAC Makeup Fixer. And then I'm gonna take a very small brush like this, and I'm gonna take a little bit of loose powder and then powder my T-zone a little bit. So that was it for the video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please click the thumbs up button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Bye guys.